Having your precious metal goods processed on the spot right before your eyes is as simple as making a phone call to Assay On Wheels. No more wondering its value or waiting for your payment. Contact Assay On Wheels and our armored processing vehicle will come directly to your place of business. Once your processing day has been scheduled, one of our dedicated drivers will contact you and give you a 2-hour window for our arrival. Once we arrive, you are able to bring your scrap precious metal into the processing vehicle in a container that we can provide. Once you are in the armored vehicle, you can view your scrap precious metal being weighed, placed into a crucible, and melted in our induction furnace. Once melted, a pin sample is taken from the crucible using a glass vacuum tube. This sample is used to test the purity of your precious metals. The pin sample method is considered the most reliable form of analysis to date. Using state-of-the-art technology called X-ray fluorescence, or XRF, the pin sample is analyzed to determine the amount of pure precious metal in the lot. Confirmation of the XRF machine's calibration is done prior to identifying the purity of the precious metal in the pin sample. The melted material is then poured into a mold to form an ingot. The ingot is then placed into a water tank for cooling. The ingot is then dried and placed on a calibrated scale. Once the weight is recorded, the amount of pure precious metal can be determined. You will then be able to confirm the value of the ingot based on current market value. You will then have the option of having the funds automatically wired to your bank account, paid in cash, paid in bullion, or left in pool. On average, the entire process should take no longer than 30 minutes. Having viewed the entire process in person, you will leave our vehicle confident and reassured that you were treated honestly and fairly.